If you're looking for a serum that gives your skin that radiant, firm post-facial glow every single day, then this is the one. Hi, I'm Samantha Garcia, a licensed esthetician based in Pembroke Pines, Florida. I use the Petal Stem Cell Serum every day in my spa treatments because it truly transformed the skin, and I'm going to share why it deserves a spot in your routine. This serum is designed to restore your skin's natural radiance on every level. It promotes cellular renewal using a bioavailable blend of polypeptides and epidermal growth factors, so you're encouraging fresh, youthful skin from within. It delivers deep hydration at multiple layers of the skin thanks to its multi-weight hyaluronic acid complexes, which plump, smooth, and prevent trans-epidermal water loss. It also helps calm inflammation and oxidative stress with powerful antioxidants like Rooibos, green tea, and honey extract, perfect for anyone with sensitized, stressed, or post-treatment skin. What makes this formula really special is the addition of Gardenia Jasminoides stem cells, which support visible firmness and lifting over time. Plus, it's infused with botanical exosomes and Ectoine to accelerate healing and promote post-procedure recovery. It's like giving your skin the best of science and nature in one bottle, and your skin will feel stronger, calmer, and more resilient with every use. So whether you're dealing with inflammation, dehydration, fine lines, or just want that glow that people ask, what are you using? This is your serum. I recommend applying it on clean skin right after toning, morning and night. Use about 3 to 4 drops and press it into your face, neck, and chest. It layers beautifully under moisturizer and SPF. And for my fellow estheticians, it's a must-have post-treatment serum. I use it after microneedling, nano-infusion, and evo buccal massage facials to reinforce the skin barrier and speed up recovery. This is more than just a serum, it's your daily glow ritual and a professional-grade healing tool in one.